If you want the look of the newest iPhone 13, but you're broke, you don't want to pay the iPhone 13 price, this is the way to do that. The iPhone XR is still a great phone, but I personally enjoy the squared edges, which is why I changed my old iPhone XR to the 12 Pro Max. But since the 13 is out, we can change it to the 13. You might be wondering, how does it do that? The iPhone XR has two cameras. Well, this one's a fake camera. The bezels are slightly larger in the display and it's an LCD versus OLED, but from the back, it looks identical to the original iPhone 13. To do this mod, we have to transfer all the internals from this iPhone XR to this iPhone 13 housing. Whoa. Are you enjoying this video? Please leave a like and subscribe and hit that bell notification button. So we have our iPhone XR with a broken back glass, and we have the custom housing. Let's get this on. So the housing this time comes with a microphone mesh. Before they didn't, which kind of makes the sound muffled, but that's there, so we're all good. This housing actually seems like it's better build quality than a lot of the ones in the past, so I'm excited to get this installed. So first things first, you guys know the drill. We're gonna unscrew, open it up. Now that we have the phone opened up, we have to move everything one by one from here to here. The way I like to do this is to move everything out, lay it out on the table, and then put it into the new housing. Remove the screen. The reason I like this mat so much is because of all these holes. That sounded weird. But I put the screws exactly where they would be on the phone so that they can stay organized and go back the same way they came in. So we have everything removed from the housing. Now we have to transfer these little side panels. If you don't transfer them over, the screen won't stay in place, which is not a good idea. So we're almost done, but would it really be an iPhone 13 without Magsafe? We're gonna try and add Magsafe to this and see how that works out. Hopefully it'll go well. So we got the battery in, but it's a little bit elevated because there's magnets under there that usually wouldn't be under there. So we're gonna try it out with the screen and hopefully everything doesn't get pushed up. Put on the water resistant / dustproof seal. That's the wrong one. We got the right one. We're gonna slap this on. It's not slapping, it actually takes quite a while to get this on. Now we're gonna install the screen and see if this thing still works. Fingers crossed. Haha. So I wanna test out the Magsafe before I fully install it. Let's hope this works. Whoa, that's kind of crazy, guys. This is an iPhone XR with Magsafe. Amazing, I'm the first to do this. Subscribe right now, thank you. Get that crunch. That was a juicy crunch. Crunch again. Oh. Uno momento, por favor. So guys, we just completed the transfer and we made this iPhone XR look like an iPhone 13. Now obviously it's not gonna look exactly like the iPhone 13, so here are some key differences. The notch obviously is a lot smaller on the iPhone 13. The bezels are a little uglier on the actual iPhone XR, and the screen does protrude a little bit compared to the iPhone 13, which sits flush. We also have smaller camera bumps. I'll leave a link to this product in the description. You can go buy that and try this at your own risk. This phone does actually work with Magsafe, all Magsafe accessories. The magnets are not as strong, but it still works. So we're gonna try it out with Anker's battery pack, and you can see that it's charging. You can see that the battery pack actually holds on the phone just like it would with the iPhone 13. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and uno momento por favor.